Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Digital Comic World. Here's the story about Bluey the pet bird. Anil and Leela lived a happy life along with their pets. Leela was pregnant and her pets, the sweet puppies, were expecting her baby to play with them.
Tara baby, my sweet little angel.
Tara grew up along with the pets, and the sweet puppies also enjoyed with her always, even during the sleep. Wow, nice birds!
Tara likes birds. Look at her garden, Tara.
Butterflies, bees, birds, and what not.
I love birds! I love nature! Tara started her schooling. She was so excited to meet her friends and her teacher.
Bye bye, Tara.
Take care. Welcome to the school.
Hi, Tara!
Tara, what's that book about?
It's about blue lovebirds, Mom. Tara had her favorite toy named Bluey, and she carried it along with her always at all places in her home.
Good morning, Bluebird.
Tara brought Bluey to dining table too and started sharing fruits to it as she loved it the most.
Oh, is it bluebirds have come to eat with you?
Yes, Mom, they love fruits and veggies. She was more interested in knowing more about birds, so started watching movies about birds. Hey, my favorite movie!
It's getting late, Tara. Come here. Let me plait your hair.
Bye, Bluey. As Tara returned from the school that day, she saw a box fall in front of her house with some sounds inside. Oh wow, what a big surprise! It was a real blue baby bird inside the box. Tara was shocked. Come on, my little baby bird. I'm Tara, and you? Oh, it's so cute. I will take care of you, my birdie. We'll name you as Bluey. She grew up participating in many competitions based on birds. She won many prizes in events. Bluey, we are the best friends, you know?
Anil, why are you looking so upset?
Uncle, we are sending Tara to a research work outside the city. That's it. He's little upset.
This is the first time we are leaving Tara for her studies, uncle.
Dad, I'll surely make proud of you through my research work.
It's okay. She has a friend, Biman. He'll take care of her. He's in research of birds from his childhood.
Vimal, from his childhood, started his research on birds, staying in the sanctuary. He was a childhood friend of Tara. It's my dream come true.
Take care, Tara. Call us when you're free.
Wow! What a wonderful place! Do you like it, Bluey? It's really very amazing. I will have to take rest now. Tara and Bluey were very happy in the forest house. They both were doing all the routines together. Good morning, Bluey. I had a nice sleep. Did you? I miss my dad and mom, Bluey. Your favorite breakfast, fruit crunch with brown bread for both of us. Now we need to start our research. You are going to meet your new friends, Bluey. Come on, cheer up. Tara started her research work in saving the bluebirds. She started searching for the location of bluebirds. It's so selfly, Bluey. Now let me find out the location in the map first.
Anil, my sweet puppies, call from Tara.
Dad, Mom, I'm 100% okay here with Bluey. Need to meet Vimal soon. Take care. Bye.
Call from childhood friend Tara.
Hi Vimal, I'm here to save the bluebirds and to make people adopt more birds as pets.
Are you serious? I'm happy to meet you. But do you think that this research will work out?
Why not? Bluey will help us for sure.
Oh. Oh, this one. Bluey? Nice.
Bluey will definitely help the other birds to get home. Bluey, there are so much friends like you homeless, my dear. We need to save them. Morning, Bluey. Vimal would come today to start our work.
Good morning, Tara. Enjoying the morning outside, is it?
Hi, Vimal. Good morning. Shall we start the work? Come inside.
Tara, can you see the bird like Bluey seems to be not well?
Yes, Vimal. But how do we save them?
We need to go to that forest, Tara. But before that, we need to get permission from the forest officer.
Oh, okay.
Meet Mr. Arun, forest officer.
Hello, ma'am. How can I help you?
Hello, sir. It's all about saving the lovebirds.
This is a very famous bookshop. Let's check out.
Sure, we need more information.
Take this book also, ma'am. It would help you for your research.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Is this the bill? We'll pay you. I'm so upset the condition of these birds.
Don't worry, Tara. Let's start in the morning.
Wow! What an amazing forest! Looks so beautiful. Vimal, see her. She is so close to me. Looks amazing.
Oh, sure. We'll see. Wait.
Very different bird. I have never seen like this.
Oh, yeah.
I'm able to hear bluebird sound.
Yes. Let's send you Bluey.
Oh, they are here.
Thanks a lot, sir, for stopping the cutting of trees.
Bluey, you have done a good job in bringing them here.
They got a new home here.
I'm really proud of you, my birdie.
Hello and welcome to the channel. Here we have Vimal, Tara, and Bluey, who saved the entire lovebird family.
Hi, y'all. My name is Bluey. See birds. See birds. Save lovebirds.
Adopting birds is a good company for children and family.
Yes, Mom. Children should be allowed to have pets. Then they become responsible as you made me. Thank you. If you like this story, give a like, share, and subscribe to my channel. We will meet with a new story. Keep supporting.